So if you're newer to riding, there are some trails out at mile markers that are a great place to practice and learn, maybe take a new rider. There's lots of fun, flowy areas, especially closer to the parking areas down low. Stay out of the mountainous areas, and it's nice and smooth and fun and flowy.
Thank you.
We decided to try something different. We figured it would be nice to show our viewers a little bit more of what the trail looks like and the scenery.
But there's a lot of fun, smooth, flowy areas where it's easier to ride. So if you're a newer rider, things like that, you can try some of these trails out. There's areas where you can get into some steeper, more ledgy things and more challenges as they're growing into stronger riders. It can be a really good place to train.